In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify store. If you've been dreaming about launching an online business, this is the fastest, clearest path to get your store set up and your first product ready for sale. Start by heading to Shopify and clicking Start Free Trial. You won't need a credit card to begin. Enter your email to create your account, and you'll see a few quick questions about what you plan to sell. These help Shopify tailor your setup, so answer as best you can, but don't worry. You can adjust anything later. Next, give your store a name. Keep it simple and memorable. This isn't permanent. You can change it later when you connect your professional domain. For now, just pick something that fits your idea and keeps you moving. Once you're in, welcome to your mission control. The left sidebar is where you'll spend most of your time. Orders is where purchases appear and where you manage fulfillment and refunds. Products is where you'll add and organize everything you sell. Online store is where you design how your website looks and feels. Think of this sidebar as your control panel for running a global business from one place. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a handy checklist. Focus on the 3 essentials: add a product, customize your theme, and set up payments. Complete these and you'll be officially open for business. Let's add a product. Click. Add product. Then give it a clear title and a description that explains benefits, sizes, materials, or use cases in plain language. Upload clean, well-lit photos that show different angles. Set your price, track inventory if you need to, and add variants like sizes or colors when relevant. Save your work so it's ready to display in your store. Now, customize your theme. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Shopify's default theme is a great start. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand, add your logo, and arrange homepage sections like banners, featured products, and testimonials. Preview on mobile as you go. Most shoppers browse on their phones, so keep things simple, fast, and easy to read. Finally, set up payments. Open Settings, then Payments, and choose your provider. Shopify Payments is quick to enable in many regions and supports major cards and popular digital wallets. Enter your business details, review your payout schedule, and confirm everything is active so customers can check out smoothly. That's it. The hardest part is just getting started. Follow for more Shopify tips, stay consistent, and let's get selling.